Hi everyone, you an affiliate marketer and you have skills, you have sites, you have where you can draw traffic to a link. I sincerely have products that I have done videos on this platform is brand media. And if you are my subscribers, you know what I do here. We do videos on how to make money, on how to do affiliate marketing and the rest. So those that have subscribed to my channel, say thank you very much. And those that have not yet done so, we hope that you hit the notification bell and subscribe so that whenever the video is being dropped that are interesting, you will be notified or get a response immediately. Please subscribe as I said before. Now, as I was saying before, that I have a place where an affiliate program. It is not like the JVZoo I did before on my previous video. JVZoo products are software products. They are not physical products. So you can still do all other products that will generate you money. And the video I did then talks about on how to build your landing pages. Sorry, how to get 11 best live cookies affiliate programs that pay generous of commissions. I have done video like that. It's here right away. You can see it here. Affiliate marketing for beginners, affiliate programs. I've done video for it, and there's 11 of them that I showed you on how to get the cookies from them. And one of them is what I'll be doing, showing you this moment. Is Nutriprofits. Nutriprofits is a place, affiliate program where you uh, take a product link, then you draw traffic to it. When they buy, you get your commission. I have video that I've done on this precisely, and I also have um, blog that I also done for this particular or the products I'll be showing you about to show you. And this is the website where I have created on my own. Though even if you cannot create a website, but there are other ways that you can draw traffic to your site or to your link. Yes, we have Quora, we have Google, or rather we have Facebook, we have Medium. So these are avenue where you can draw traffic to your website and you will be monetizing whatever you are doing. So I have video I've done for this particular product. I think before I show you the product, let me show you quickly on how to sign up. It is very quite simple. What you need to do is create your account. Remember I say it's nutriprofits.com. You can see it here. Nutriprofits.com. You go to Google, you'll see it there. You put your name, username, your email, your password, you verify, you confirm rather, and you agree to their conditions and terms and conditions and create an account. It's very simple. After you must have created the account, you go to your email box, and because by that time they must have sent you an email a list that you need to create, you verify your account. After you must have verified your account, what you need to do is to log in. So I'm a verified member here. I want to log in to my account. Let's wait for it to log in. Fine. This is a login place. I want to put my password. Beautiful. Now look at the one I opened not quite long. You can see that here is zero because there is not a commission now. Since I've opened it, it's not up to 2 days. You can see here now that I had 25 clicks to show that it's already it has traffic rather. So you can do yours like that, and you see that the traffic will be growing. And these are the products that are handy. You can see them here. You see the categories, you see the countries, you see the commission and the average commission. Now these are the commission. This is the commission that you will be receiving from this personally. And if you click on this, it's a new product, New Lab Relax. This is New Lab Relax, and it's a stress-free product. If you read it, it says New is a food supplement that supports the maintenance of a good mood and emotional balance. This carefully developed formula helps you to relax and maintain a good mood. In addition, the ingredients contained in a Nuvella Lab Relax introduce a feeling of calmness, have an adaptogenic effect, supports cognitive abilities, and contribute to improving the quality of sleep. So by the time you take these products, it will help you to feel relaxed and sleep well. So it's a supplement that you can advertise. Now look at the product, the commission here, $29, and you will be paid 30% off. this with the money, and it has lifetime cookies. That is to say, if you go to a website and promote this link, that whenever people comes and buy this, even if not today, tomorrow, but whenever they come using your link to buy, you will still receive your commission. If you like, it takes 20 years. That's why it says lifetime. So long they use your link to buy later on, it it reflects on your dashboard that yes, someone has paid. So this is how it goes. Now look at your link here. You copy your link. You copy your link. You go and do traffic to it. I remember I said you can use Google and Facebook. You will open the group on Facebook that talks about how to lose weight, how to feel relaxed, how to in short those depending on the niches that you pick. That is where you when you go to Facebook and look for those groups. So but depending on the niche that you're advertising. For example, if you're advertising on male enhancement, this on male organ, how to have a good direction and others, you can go for this. Weight loss niche, you can go for this. Bodybuilding, you can go for this. Weight loss, male enhancement, weight loss. As in, sorry, we call this yes, accent. That is to say, it removes pimples. You want to get rid pimples, wrinkles on your face. You want to make your face to look so beautiful and clear. You can use this Zinamas. Zinamas is a product that I can use to remove those accents. So you can take the link to. You can see that the commission here is 35 and for and the commission 35% commission and the average say is 34.30 dollars. So you click a link here. Now these are all the for stretch mark, for eyelash, for stress again, weight loss and body build, hair loss. You can see color cleansing, Nutriprofits, me enhancement, weight loss, anti-aging, thyroid, hair loss. Even I thought they have snoring here. Good, you see. So like this here, this Irise blocks, fat burn active, bulk extreme, Nuvilla vitality, the keto, the gentmas, the X, the moringa actives, the xenamas, and the ravelash. All of this is expansive cream. I did a blog on all of this. Fully seen. All of this. Brain artist. So if you go to the website now, quickly see what I'm talking about. This is the website. Let me show you. These are my blogs. You can see that fully seen here. You can see this last time body build. You can see the bunny weight loss. You can see the xenamas here. They are saying I talked about. You can see the cappuccino, MCT weight loss. You can see the resilient stress. You can see the eyelash, the stretch marks, the eyelash, the Digant X, and the enhancement, the expansive cream. You can see the moringa. So I've done a blog regarding all of this. So I'm doing affiliate on this particular on all of these products on my website, and I also put them on my Facebook too. You can see them. They are on my Facebook page. If I go to my page now, you see what I'm talking about. Let's go there. I have groups here. Find the niche that I'm consider here. You can see one of it here. Let's see if I can quickly show you some for you to see that I have been doing it, and that is where you see that 25 clicks. All right. In short, it's far. I think it's far. Okay, good. You see here now. This is one of the products. Now, how do I do it? I don't put my link on website. You can see the write up I did there. Say modern eyelash serum is dedicated to people who want to improve the condition of their eyelash. The product was created based on safe, tested, and natural ingredients. The formula lengthens and thickens lashes, stimulate their growth, etc. Then you say inbox me for the product. I put an image, so by the time you look at this, they will inbox me. That's how I'll be receiving messages. You can see keep up the good work. You can see the comment here that someone had done. Just made the comment here. The same thing with stretch mark. The same thing with stress. You see bar health. You see train your brain, anti-aging, bodybuilding, weight loss. That's all. So I don't just put my link on Facebook. Rather, I write something and then invite them to comment below so that we have one-on-one chat. That is how to do a mature affiliate marketing. You can go to Quora, look for where it says weight loss, how to lose weight, how to enlarge your muscle, your big organ, because that is a good niche. And this is a niche, this particular one that talks about where is it? This enlargement. I think this particular one is a good niche. People do love how to may need to extract their organs. There's a cream that can use to make and enlarging the penis. So it's a natural ingredients. It's made of natural ingredients. So you can talk, explain to people after you must have gone through the write-up and understand it very well. You explain to them, then you can advertise all of this. So if you go to the link, you click on the link, then you can go to the page. Just assume that particular one. I want to click on the page. Let me see the product page. It's how it is. Mom, you see? That's how it is. This is the page. So you can read more about it. Then you go and explain to people. So it's quite simple. And Quora is also there. You ask a question on Quora. Remember, just to write, ask a question. Type Quora.com. Quora is type this way. Quora. I think I have it here before. Something like this. Good. This is Quora. So you go to Quora, another largest uh, website that people come answer question and answer websites. You see, so this is how it is. Let me see if I can show you the statistics of Quora. I think it's here. Okay, let me see again. I can't see find it. All right. So it's like I cannot lay my hand on it. So these are all the question I've answered. You can see mine. See, I've commented on all of this. So this is how to make money on as an affiliate marketer. So you can use this affiliate program to make money. Nutriprofit.com, and then continue to collect your money, earn money. Your work with your work, the work you did. The more you advertise the links, the better for you to receive amount of money. Now you can see the countries. So it's almost all over the world that can buy this product. And remember, you're not doing the shipping. If you go to where the order says here, you say order. Remember, you are not the one that will ship the product. They will buy by themselves, and the company will take the product to them. So your own just to draw traffic to the products. That's all. So you can see how the product is. So I have done video for it too. If you go to one of my websites, I think I have videos like that. Just type easybrandmedia.com. Easybrandmedia. If you go to the other of my website, just write easybrandmedia. You'll see all my videos. I have done a product regarding that particular a video regarding that particular product. So this is how to look for user affiliate program like Nutriprofit.com to take the links and post it on wherever you want to post it. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that when the video is being dropped, you'll be informed immediately. Thank you very much.